Sammy. I've been thinking. Hey, what's up?
Oh, Susie, I'm in pain.
Poor thing. What's wrong?
I haven't had a single candy in 3 whole hours. I'm feeling lightheaded.
Oh, really? Sounds serious. You should see a doctor then.
No doctors, no hospitals. Stop it. I'm not going anywhere, Sue.
Don't worry, everything will be okay.
No.
Well, here we are.
You don't say. Ouch. Why can't I get inside? I knew. Hospitals couldn't be trusted.
It's a playbook hospital. You can't actually get inside.
Oh, that's not fair.
You're right. I'm sorry, Sammy. Let me give you the tour. Today, Dr. Joe and his adorable assistant are going to show you how things work around here.
Working in a hospital must be really scary. Brr.
Oh, Sammy, the hospital isn't scary at all. And I'm sure Dr. Joe will tell you all about it. Just let him get ready for the day.
I still think it's scary.
Scary? Haha, not at all.
Come with us. We'll show you everything. Okay.
Dr. Joe's workday usually begins here, behind the front desk.
Oh, here's my patient. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, Dr. Joe. I don't feel so good today. My head feels kind of strange.
Looks like Jenna is sick. It is said here that she needs an x-ray.
Sounds serious. What are we gonna do, Sue?
Sammy, breathe. There's absolutely nothing to be afraid of. It's a pretty simple medical procedure.
But you said Jenna needs T-Rex? What for?
An x-ray, Sammy, not a T-Rex. Now the oxygen mask is on, and this IV will definitely make you feel better.
How's it going? Are you ready for the checkup?
Sure, she's ready. Here, let me help.
What is the first step?
We should start by checking Jenna's temperature. Okay, let's see. Everything's fine.
Sue, I'm feeling really hot. What if I'm sick? Check me too, please.
Sammy, you're fine.
Cool.
I think you're way too nervous than you should be, Sammy. Okay, let's keep going.
Is everything okay?
Sure, don't worry. It's just we haven't checked your ears in a while. Stay still. You too!
No, not my ears! Stay away from my ears!
Relax, would you? Done!
That's it? I guess I shouldn't have been so worried.
Now let's test your reflexes. What? Where's the instrument?
This picture looks nice here.
Give it to me.
Hey! I'm not done yet!
It's a reflex hammer, not a nail hammer, Sammy. Pay attention.
Ooh, now I see.
Also, we need to check your heartbeat.
Check me first. My heart just skipped a bit.
Okay, Nervous Nelly.
Oh, my tibby-dabba. Cool. Whoa, was that my heart? Sounds like music. It makes me want to dance. Come on, everybody.
What a fun rhythm, Sammy. Okay, that's enough dancing. Hold still. I'm gonna check your heartbeat now. It's all right, and the last check for today is the blood pressure, which is perfectly well.
Now let's get to the patient's checklist.
We have it right on the next page. This is where we need to draw a portrait of Jenna to avoid confusion in patient records.
Great job, Sue. What do you think, Jenna?
Is that really how I look?
Well, of course. Come on.
Now we need to fill in the patient's information. Next, we'll indicate the symptoms. And the temperature, which we already measured.
It's about time we moved into the lab.
And it's right here. Please come sit. There you go. Try to relax, okay? I promise you won't feel a thing. Huh? Where's the syringe?
Right here. I've got it, Sue. Hurry. We have to save Jenna. Is that a vaccine shot? Oh, I can't look.
Well, it's done. It's not scary at all, right? Now let's take a cotton ball. Which one do you prefer? This one? Great choice. There you go. And we're done here. It's time to move on.
Oh, what are we gonna do next? Dr. Joe, please tell us.
Gladly. All preparations are complete. We can do the x-ray now.
The patient goes here. And then we choose what part of the body we need to x-ray. Here we go. And done. Let's take a closer look at these. Maybe we should bring Dr. Joe in for a consultation.
I don't need any consulting. It's all very clear to me. That T-Rex machine knows nothing about photography.
Are you ready to get an MRI? Of course. Here we are. Please lie down on the couch. It might be a little loud in there.
All done. We can turn it off. You're doing so great, Jenna. Where are we on the results? Oh, everything's great.
Now, we need to do an ultrasound. I'm on my way.
Me first. Sue, do me first. I've always wanted to know what I'm made of. Oh, it tickles.
You are a sweet tooth to the core.
Well, that explains a lot.
Okay, let's take a closer look at what's going on with Jenna. Your ultrasound looks great, too. Everything is just as it should be.
Dr. Joe looked through all your test results. Come with me, please.
Here's the next page spread. We can write a prescription for our lovely patient. Alrighty, we should start with the name. You have a very pretty name, Jenna. We'll prescribe you some vitamins. You'll take them 3 times a day for 5 days. And then you will come to see Dr. Joe again, all right?
You'll be perfectly healthy from now on. I have no doubt.
Where were those vitamins? Ah, found them. These will certainly get our patient back on her feet. Don't forget, 3 times a day, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
We did a great job today. Hey, Sammy, what are you doing back there?
Hold on, Sue. Let me just draw it up real quick. Oh, come on.
What did you draw in there?
I'm telling you, I'm not done yet. Ugh.
Ah, so it's craft time. First, we will deal with the front desk.
There was this spinning thingy, and it went round and round and round and made me dizzy. Ugh.
That's right. It's a patient status scale. It shows how our patient is doing.
Look at me, Sue. I look just like Dr. Joe, right? Heavy stuff! Hurry up, help me! Phew!
Let's put the front desk in its rightful place.
Next in line is the patient's room.
Right you are, Sammy.
Hey, Sue, check out my cool hat. It's neat, isn't it? Try using it as a blanket for the bed.
Here we go. We shouldn't forget about the oxygen mask and the extra IV in a special drawer, so it's always at hand.
I also had so much fun during the checkup.
That's right, Sammy. It's so fun that each tool has its own slot.
What about a dental checkup? I can smile wide.
Sammy, this isn't a dentist's office.
Just open it, Sue. I've got all the tools we need.
Wow, thank you. It really does have all the tools, doesn't it? Let's put them in their place. We're moving on to the patient checklist. Here we have fun little levers that you can move.
I'm almost done here. Oh, I hope you friends never have a high fever. Here's our thermometer scale. Take it, Sue.
Excellent work, Sammy. Now, we'll always know the patient's temperature. This is the last thing to add to this page. It's the indicator of symptoms.
Oh! I found the cure for all diseases. Ouch! Oh no, it's a virus. Ugh!
Come back.
Who said that?
We're already at the lab page spread. Sammy, don't you want to help me? I guess not. Fine. I can deal with this one by myself. At least Sammy made the syringe in advance.
Watch out! It's a virus!
Take that! Phew, that was close, wasn't it? Now where was I? Ah, right.
Way to go, Sue! You're so brave! And I will be right here, behind this window if you need me, okay?
No way! This window, as you call it, goes here. This part's done, and we're moving on to X-rays. Here's the most important part. And of course, we can't forget about the storage space for the X-rays.
Here are the pictures, and trust me, they're way better than the ones your T-Rex made.
They may be prettier, but we'll have to stick to the X-ray pictures.
Whatever.
Here's our MRI machine. Sammy, did you get those buttons ready?
Huh? Buttons? What buttons? Where are you anyway? I can't see you. Oh, there you are, Sue.
Oh, Sammy. Now that's what I call test results. Nice and easy. And finally, the ultrasound room.
Oh, this is such a mess. Gotta refill this patient's prescription. Hey!
Are you all right, Sammy?
Yeah, but to tell you the truth, I'm so tired today.
I know, me too. But don't worry, Sammy, we're almost done. We just need to restock the pharmacy with medicine and all sorts of pills, like this.
Sue, there's a weird envelope here. Were you planning to write a letter?
No, it's part of the staff room. But where is the staff?
Sue, I found these two. The patients.
And here are the doctors. We'll let them rest in here.
Here, take these.
Thank you. Our patients will go to the right side. There we go.
Whoa, now all of them will have cool outfits. Great. Well, friends, it's time to put our hospital playbook together. Woohoo!
Here are all the pages we made. Let's start assembling.
I made special bits to make the pages hold together.
Great job, Sammy. Now all that's left to do is add some glue and stick it all together. Wow, friends, look at this cool playbook we got.
And I got a headache from all that crafting.
Poor thing. But are you still afraid of hospitals?
Of course not. Now, hospitals are no more scary to me than candy stores.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that.
Me too. Friends, thank you all for being with us today. Hit like and subscribe for more fun videos.
See you soon, everyone.
Bye, y'all.